Hello guys, in this video I would like to present you my new laptop, which is Asus Vivobook S14. Full spec will be in the description of this video. Here you go, I just got it delivered today. And here is the package. Looks decent. I think here is the front side. Yeah, it is sealed. So yeah, I am opening that for the first time. It's me, no one else. I can see the charger with cable. Here you go, and the laptop itself looks amazing. I think that's manual, some information, I guess, warranty card. Yeah, so the laptop isn't big, isn't it? 14 inches. I have chosen black color. This one has information with the company's details, Ratingen, Germany. Yeah, it has some information anyway. It's not. I'm not sure where it was produced, if in Germany or somewhere else. Let me just open the laptop itself. Here you go. Yeah, amazing. Very tiny, very small. Asus Vivobook S14. AMD Ryzen AI 9 365HX and AMD Radeon Graphics 880 M880. Yeah, I will be switching it on, but maybe I will plug in just in case the battery isn't charged fully. I'm not sure yet. Let me check the instruction what I shall do. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Cheers.